Hi, my name's Kurt Moore. My wife and I are building the Redford. The best part of the experience with Shaw Homes so far, there's a couple things. Every person we've dealt with has been amazing. They've made this fun. They've reduced the complexity, and it's been a really positive experience. Every single person, and then also I think it's a quality home. They're pretty homes, and so it's a good product. But then the people have been wonderful. Everybody we've dealt with. In my opinion, what sets Shaw Homes apart from other builders is the quality of the home, as well as the quality of the service of the people that you work with at Shaw. If somebody were looking to build with Shaw Homes, I would say that I think you can probably relax a little bit because the people will take care of you and walk you through the process, and it can be overwhelming, I would think, without the customer service and how organized everything is, and it really is. You go through the process and you don't have to worry about the whole thing. You know, the way it's broken up into different phases, I think in my opinion, it's a trustworthy project or trustworthy product and a good group of people to work with.